Hey guys, welcome to Untova. Today let's have a look at the boAt airDopes 441, which is an entry-level TWS earphones in their airDope range. It has some really cool features for the price like Bluetooth version 5.0 and IPX6 water resistance, which can easily take sweat and splashes but shouldn't be drowned in water. And the buds itself are powered by 6mm drivers which seem to be small but still provide punchy bass. The good thing is it comes with Type-C port and supports instant wake. It has touch controls with which you can activate your voice assistant with a long press. Coming to the cons, it has a generic design and the bass is exaggerated quite a bit. The wing tips are a bit sharp, making it uncomfortable for continuous usage, and it has a decent battery life. Overall, they are a really impressive entry-level TWS earphones. That's it for now guys. Do check out the purchase links down in the description and do subscribe to the channel.